replaced my old ones, put some new drum brakes on, and yeah, let's get started. Take off the lug nuts, raise the tires up, take them off. Let's go. If you're freaking, what do you call it, drum brakes, stick is fucking not going anywhere. I found using some plastic cleaner, send it in there, let it rest for a while. Usually you can put screws in here, take them out, but I don't have the screws. I ain't trying to go nowhere to get new screws. But let the greaser set in for a little bit, and I got this freaking sledgehammer and fucking sender in there. Let's try it. It works for my other one. Oh, I see it move. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, got her. Sweet. Man, that works good. Fucking good old sledgehammer, man. Use some brake cleaner. Push down. And next time I'm gonna replace all this shit in there for my e-brakes. Now I'm putting this on. I thought this was gonna be harder to take it off than I thought. Last time I tried, it was fucking couldn't get it off, but put some fucking WD-40 in here so this doesn't seize up. Then the sledgehammer just fucking sent it. Good to go. Back on. Feels pretty good. So next time I'm gonna replace my drum brake kit. Right now I just want to take this off, get out of the way. So I thought it was gonna be harder, and then when my drum brake kit comes in the mail, I wouldn't have this problem taking this off, so it'd really be easy to take off. But FYI, this is my first time doing it. I'm just starting to be a car guy. I'm not a car guy at all. I'm just learning. The last probably 3 months. It's become a new hobby of mine. But yeah, give that a try. WD-40 in here. And if you don't have a sledgehammer, man, it's easy money, man. It's tappity tap and came off, man. Just like easy money. So take it from the guy that don't know. Take it from the guy that doesn't know anything. Just learning. And it was easy as fuck. Just saying.